So guys, how to add border or frame around our picture or video in Filmora? It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. Bring our sample video to the timeline. Then to add border, go to effects, then search for border. Select this one, left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now as you can see, we already have our border. To change the border color, go to right side, effects, then we have start and end color. With this we can use gradient border color. So let's change the start to green and the end like red. Then we have the size. With this we can change the border width, then the blur, foggy border. Lastly we have the direction. To change the direction of our gradient color like this. After we are done, go back to video, then we can scale down our footage, rotate it and place it where we like. So guys, that's how easily we can add border or frame around our video or picture in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.